Hey, I'm Dave, transactional attorney. You know what's important to me? Volunteering. Although I have to admit, I've struggled trying to find pro bono work that allows me to use all my knowledge and skills. And I almost completely gave up because I didn't have the time, much less the resources to try to find the work.
I didn't think it was possible to get a chance to make a contribution in my area of expertise.
There was no organized place to look. You really had to have initiative, go out and find projects.
Finding pro bono work was such a challenge. And on top of that, I was concerned that I might be in over my head or be in a situation where I have to enter a courtroom. And that is way outside my comfort zone.
Our mission is to make it as easy and enjoyable as possible for transactional lawyers to do pro bono work. So everything we do is designed with that volunteer attorney in mind.
Pro bono partnership makes a big difference in the city of Atlanta. You've got literally hundreds of nonprofit agencies, all of which need some kind of legal work, some of them more complicated than others. If they're going to pay to have that done, they're really going to diminish the resources they've got left to serve the community here in Atlanta.
Now that I'm volunteering, it's fantastic. Pro bono work comes to me, they provide me with malpractice insurance, and the process is so user-friendly.
You're sitting at your desk doing your work and you get an email. And the email says every month, these are the opportunities we have available. Contact us if you can help.
Within short order, you have the help that you need to get the work done for the clients. It's actually a very easy process.
On top of that, they pre-screen the clients so you know what you're getting into. And they do a great job of matching my skill with the specific legal matter.
By properly screening the clients, you make sure that you get the right match, the right skill set with the right set of needs.
It's very important for pro bono partnership to work with the attorneys as well as their clients to match us so that we're a good fit. The work goes smoother. It's more of a collaborative effort.
Law firms and corporations care about having a positive presence in the community. I know our firm does. That's why I love the way Pro Bono Partnership of Atlanta does so much legwork up front. That way, my time's not wasted or taken away from my job.
The fact that we can partner with the Pro Bono Partnership to be a part of the Coca-Cola Company's efforts to give back in the communities in which we find ourselves is huge.
I'm on the Pro Bono Committee of the legal department at Turner Broadcasting. I know that Pro Bono Partnership has rejuvenated the pro bono spirit within our legal department.
For me personally, it's important to give back. What better way to do that than to use my expertise, things that matter to me?
The projects are listed not just by subject matter expertise, but also by organization with a little bit of information about the organization. So if you have a particular interest, then you can focus on areas, organizations that target those issues.
The footprint that we all want to leave when we depart this earth is that we were here, we made a difference, we made it better. And the Pro Bono Partnership assists in that effort. And I thank them for that.
Working with nonprofits, handling their legal needs so they can focus on helping people, that's the ultimate payoff.
You know that the recommendation and advice that you're getting is cutting edge, that it is right now information that you can use and save yourself the kind of challenges that you could have that threaten your organization.
We're allocating resources, time, and people power. Do we put it towards programs helping the community, or do we spend it in hiring or in finding an attorney to help us address those things? And by having Pro Bono Partnership be that free resource for us as an organization, that enables us to address all these issues and not have to reallocate funds away from serving the community.
Pro Bono Partnership is appreciative of all of our volunteer efforts and our monetary donations. Look, volunteering is just so important. I get to provide a free, much-needed legal service with my expertise to nonprofit organizations so they can focus on what they really do, which is giving to those in need. And that makes our whole community and all of us a lot stronger.
We use a lot of volunteers and independent contractors. Now, instead of being concerned as to whether or not we're going to have proprietary issues with a choreographer who comes in and choreographs a piece for our students, or whether or not a photographer comes in and takes a picture that the photographer owns and we choose to use it in a particular situation that has not been pre-approved, having those documents there on the front end to actually sit down and negotiate with the individual contractors before we actually secure their services really gives us the confidence to move forward and not be concerned about whether or not we're going to compromise somebody else's work or compromise our organization. Well, I am so impressed with the caliber and the quality of the lawyers that Pro Bono have made available to us. I think what was most impressive to me is how receptive they were and how willing they were to help. They were very interested in what we were doing. They said to me, "We're so grateful, we're so happy that we could help you with this." And for me, that was inspirational, and it really gave me the confidence to know that this is a premier organization.
Pro Bono has been a great asset to us. I found it amazing, really, that there was this resource out there to help nonprofits that were fledgling in their development and in need. They provide cutting-edge training. I was just at one of the trainings not too long ago about nonprofit fundraising. So that was nice, a shift from always talking about the legal to looking at the comprehensive approach, a comprehensive approach to nonprofit development and maintenance. We sat and enjoyed cutting-edge training that we could take notes from and go back and use it, not just put it on the shelf to collect dust, but it was the kind of training that you had immediate application for. When you're a nonprofit, connect with Pro Bono. The end results are really, really good, and you'll be happy that you did.
Pro Bono Partnership, the staff there play a very important role in connecting us with the appropriate attorneys, because they know who the appropriate attorneys are, what legal fields those may be, and they also understand what it takes to run a nonprofit organization. Since they are a nonprofit organization, they have the best ability to match us appropriately, and it's really been very helpful for us. Whenever I talk to people who are thinking about starting their own nonprofit organization, we are all really interested in doing the program side, working with people, helping address the social issue. Then there are a lot of administrative issues and legal issues that surround the programs we do and just operating as an organization, that whenever we're given a choice between where we spend our money, we would much rather put it towards programs and not so much administration. And having Pro Bono Partnership provide us with free legal help this way has been very helpful in making sure these other administrative issues get addressed without having to shift our resources away from helping the people that we want to help.
Having the legal assistance through the Pro Bono Partnership that we've been able to secure has helped us do business in a couple of ways. We've been able to number one, respond to specific needs of our member organizations and also to AHAND itself with some of the challenges that we've recently had. And it's also enabled us to deliver workshop programs for the ongoing education of our members with very highly specialized information that really meets the needs of our member organizations as they have them both on an ongoing basis and on sort of specific topic-related issues. Our collaboration with the Pro Bono Partnership has been a joy and a pleasure. I cannot overstate that. Rachel and her staff are very easy to work with. They're very professional. They understand the needs of our member organizations and ourselves to a degree that makes it very easy to communicate with them and to understand what those needs are. And they have never failed to find the resources that we need specifically. It's been wonderful. It's a fantastic resource.